and Tsinghua University, and Professor Cheng. Now she teaches in the National Taiwan University, and her research is focused on artificial intelligence, multi-engine systems, data mining, and so on, especially in the domain of multi-engine systems. She has been published over 20 papers in various conferences or some meetings.
That's 20 in 200.
It's based.
Oh, in this area.
Yeah.
Okay.
This domain. Before I start my report, I hope all of you can tolerate my poor English, and I will try my best to report straightforwardly. This is my outline. And first, I will reduce the concept of what is human computation and how the term human computation appears. And then I will talk about the two main success stories, recapture and game with the purpose. While I'm talking about the recapture, I have to mention capture first. And after the first story, I will introduce the game with the purpose, or aka graph. And I will say how it's motivation and its citation in many areas like main search, audio and video labels, or improvement of text search. And finally, I will give a conclusion from this talk, and I learned a lesson I learned from the summer school.
Very good. Usually I won't correct the pronunciation. I think you present very well. The second topic will be capture. Okay, not capture. Capture. And the third one, game with the purpose. It's the purpose. Not purpose. Okay, go ahead.
First, I will introduce to human computation. Even now, computer can perform a lot of work. It's still a lot of things the computer can do, like identify the image, identify the meaning of an image or someone. So, the human computation's main idea is, if we can treat human brain as a processor in a distributed system, we can perform small part of a massive computation. So what is a human computation? The definition from Wikipedia is human-based computation is a computer science technology in which a computational process performs its function by outsourcing certain steps to humans. And this approach leverages difference in ability and automated code between humans and computer agents to achieve symbiotic human-computer and interaction. So it means we use human brain power to help computers produce some results that computers can or hard to produce alone. Human computation innovates a new relationship between human and computer. It achieves a cooperation. So when the term human computation appeared, actually the term was coined by Louis, PhD, in 2005. And he's the first person to bring the idea up. Louis, he focused on the artificial intelligence, and he tried to he tried to train computers to do the things, and try to train computers smarter, can do the something like to understand something like what is beauty and what is ugly, or what is common sense. So, but if we try to hire people to train the computers, it may cost too much. It may take too much cost. So, Louis he coined a term human computation, and the human computation can solve problems that near could solve alone. And the most two success stories are capture and graph. So first I will say what is capture and recapture. The term capture was coined in 2000 by Louis Bonga and his classmates. I won't say their name. So they use high level of the weighting on the text to avoid cracking by some ways like OCR. OCR is optical character recognition, and this is the capture. This capture is the early capture, and this tool is the modern capture we usually see today. So in today, when we try to create an account like Gmail or Yahoo or someone, we have to enter the captcha. Roughly 200 million captcha are tapped every day. So we can see that we can say that how can we use this human effort for the good. So this is the idea to bring reCAPTCHA up. reCAPTCHA is to use CAPTCHA to help digitize the text of a book. And on September 6, 2009, Google acquired the CAPTCHA, and this is the reCAPTCHA in OpenSea. If we try to digitize the book, we have to scan the book first. And this line text is the text in the book after scanning. And then we use OCR to identify the words after scan. But some words that OCR can read. So we try, so reCAPTCHA use the words that OCR can read, put the right, and the words that OCR can read, put the left. And while we enter the two words, reCAPTCHA is to check the word at left is right or not. If yes, it also can get the right result from the word that OCR can read. So where does the word come from in reCAPTCHA? It has the New York Times. The words all come from the New York Times. And years 1851 to 1980 was completed in 2009, and the 110 other years have done. Hope can done by the end of this year. And after Google acquired the reCAPTCHA, some words also come from the book from the Google book. So after the first story, after the second story about game with the circle. Early years and now, people around the world spend billions of the hours to playing computer games like